Question is, what does a website need? First of all, it needs a very attractive name. It should be short, it should be precise, it should be exact to the point. What I would suggest is make sure at least the website has a keyword in it. You need a keyword. For example, realestateinghana.com. When I bought it, it was zero. It was zero. And now the website is ranking number 1 on Google for real estate in Ghana. Just check it out, Google it, and you see. So make sure the name is so important. Make sure the name is exact to the point, straight to the point, yeah? And use keywords in your name. You know, my first real estate company was Own Home, OWNHM.com. Google it. You realize, it doesn't show up for any keyword for real estate in Nigeria or in Ghana. And you couldn't find it anywhere. All right, so that's my number 1 tip for you for ranking a website or what a website needs.